that bumblebee? Mm-hmm. Oh my god, dude. You're so hate that stuff. Here, lady? You think he'll stay when you try and move him?
Give me some honey.
Oh my god, he's huge.
That's no good.
You're scared of You chase it around and be like, honey. Uh-oh, down to the counter.
It's upside down. Oh, they got the honey on him. He's pissed off.